iSuweldo Expense Management. iSuweldo Expense Management allows you to account for your employees' project-related expenses for reimbursement. iSuweldo Expense includes employee self-service for expense application, approval, and history for processing the expense transactions. The Company Wizard allows you to easily set up your own set of expense types available in your organization. The following shows that we have defined meal and transportation expense types with the defined minimum amount, maximum amount, and required receipt options. With employee self-service, employees can submit their own expense applications for approval. The following shows that Jason Carter has an expense application submitted for approval. Details of his expense application include the expense type, expense date, associated project, expense amounts, and remarks. Employees can also attach documents such as receipts to support their expense application. The approval screen uses red exclamation icons that enable approvers to identify the type and number of pending applications awaiting their approval. The screen shows that the approver has an expense application for approval. To approve an expense application, you can select the application to be approved, then click the Approve button. The Payroll Run Wizard provides a simple expense processing with just a few easy steps. The Payroll Date screen shows the first step where you select the period when the expense occurred. The following shows that the period from March 16 to March 31, 2012 was selected for processing. The expense screen lets you specify the employee's expenses for the period. The screen shows Jason's expense detail that was populated from the approved expense for the period. The attachment icon allows you to view receipts or other supporting documents before approving the expense. With iSuweldo, expense management reports are also available. Here's an example of the expense summary report that shows a list of expenses incurred by the employees for a particular period. Details of the report include the name of the employee, the date when the expense had occurred, project, location, expense type, and expense amount. iSuweldo Expense provides you the following benefits: better and easy expense management, real-time expense application and approval, customizable expense types configuration, online monitoring of employees' expense and project costs. With iSuweldo Expense, you can efficiently process your employees' expense reimbursement and project expenses. Thank you.